Boom! Welcome back to my channel. This is the Simba the Speaker channel. Yes, I am your cleaning guide to cleaning business success. If you haven't been here, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me as well. Now, at the end of the video, if you feel like I've given you value or you felt the effort I put in to give you some value, definitely give me a thumbs up. That would mean a lot as well. Now, in the details of this video, the bio of this video, you're going to see a couple links that I want you to utilize, right? The first one I definitely want you to utilize is clicking the link to join our free community. Yes, our free community, our remote cleaning business community. Click that link to join the community. I think you'll love it. In there, you're gonna find live webinars, live Q&As, and especially a free ebook that is for you. Now, if you want to book a one-on-one call with me, you could definitely do that as well. You could definitely book a one-on-one call with me as well. Just click the link in the bio. You'll see it as well. It's a calendar link. You could click one-on-one, hit the bell notification. Every Tuesday and Thursday, we drop videos at 6 p.m. Yes, every Tuesday and Thursday. Follow my TikTok. I have hundreds of videos on TikTok talking about pretty much remote cleaning business, right? Giving out information about that. So feel free to follow that TikTok. It is the same name as the channel name. So you could definitely follow that as well. But today I want to talk about something pretty cool, right? So I want to talk about how to choose your name for your cleaning business. How to choose your name for your cleaning business. Now, there's this misconception that a lot of time when people just start businesses, they just like put these like random names, like right, like oh, like Jet 2 Holiday Cleaning. I just have to use that one, right? And just some type of random name, but we like to have a exact strategy or structure to our name, right? We have a strategy or structure to our name. Now, I want to say this. If you stay to the end of this video, I do have a bonus at the end of this video for you. If you stay to the end of this video, I do have a bonus for you, so I will add that in this video, and hopefully that helps. So, when we are talking about actually, you know what, just because what I want to do is make sure that I for sure see this is a cool thing I could do with this, right? I love having my dual screen, but I don't count me out just yet. One moment, y'all. And see, like when I make these videos, I always try to keep them. I never try to like I'm gonna just edit this out. Like, no, you're gonna get the real me, right? You're gonna get the real me, straightforward, raw, uncut. So you know what, I'm just keeping it real. Okay, so and I pulled this up because I talk about this in my webinar. So I wanted to pull this up, give you guys a little bit of information stuff that I talk about in my webinar, right? So when you are picking a name, right, we have a formula that we like to use, right? Some type of a strategy, and what we do is pretty much use location plus what we do. Why do we use location at the start? We use location for keyword purposes. A lot of times when when clients are searching, well, cleaners as well, because sometimes they search our website to apply for a job as well, so we can have an apply for job tab. But going back to clients, but when clients are looking for our cleaning services, right, a lot of times they're putting, for example, Arizona cleaners nearby, or Phoenix cleaners nearby, or whatever, right? They're usually putting a location and then cleaners, a location or cleaning, a location and then cleaners nearby. So what you want to do to help with the ranking and help for your business to stand out or rank higher in the Google listing or the Google searches, you want to have that keyword there so that when they search it up and you have the cleaning or cleaners in your name and the location in your name, right? You're more than likely to rank pretty high in those searches. So the strategy is location plus what you do. So for example, you could use Phoenix home cleaners, right? Phoenix home cleaners, or you can even do location adjective in what you do, right? That's another thing we talk about. So that could be Phoenix best home cleanings, or Phoenix best made, or Phoenix quality home cleaners, or Phoenix quality Phoenix amazing cleaners, right? So you can do location plus what you do, or if you want to add a little bit more to it, you can do location adjective plus what you do. And that will help out with the name, right? So that will help out with the name. So whenever you're picking your name, don't just pick something to pick something, right? You want to be strategic about it. Sorry, I thought I felt something on my head. You want to be strategic as possible about it. We want to be strategic as possible about it. A lot of times people just pick names, right? And people, so if they're in Phoenix, people would just pick like, rocky cleaners, or really hot cleaners, or just something like maybe I don't know if it's a joke, or maybe it's just having I don't, or maybe it's just having some type of, I don't know what to call it. Just having some type of witty name that they're going for, right? But you don't want to do that. We want to be strategic when picking our name, right? So going back to keywords, right? We want to make sure that we're good with keywords. Another thing is if you invest into SEO, right? And let's say you end up investing into SEOs, right? So with that being said, having those keywords like the name and what you do help them help you rank better, right? It helps them help you rank better, right? So the location plus what you do is important, or you could do location, adjective, and what you do. Very quick video, right? Nothing too crazy. I don't want to go too deep into this because it's pretty straightforward. Now, I told you that there was going to be a bonus tip at the end of this video. I told you there's going to be a bonus tip at the end of this video. This is a bonus tip. If you are having a problem coming up with a name, right? Let's say you're having a problem coming up with a name. What you can do, right? What you can do is use free tools that help you generate names, right? You can use free tools that help you generate names. Now, I have a couple tools here on my webinar that I'm going to read off to you guys. So the two tools that I want to talk about is how to start an LLC.com. Yes, how to start an LLC.com. They have a business name generator that you can use, right, for that one. So that is a great suggestion. But the one I personally like, the one I like to use is www.namesnack.com. www.namesnack.com, right? And in this one, you can enter your location, you can enter the service, and they'll give you potential names that you can use, right? And a lot of times, these are the same names that haven't been taken already, right? So these are two tools that you could use, right? I told you I'm going to give you guys a bonus at the end of the video, and that's the bonus right there. So if you're having a problem and you're struggling with coming up with a name, use these tools here. Man, AI we have AI now, right? You have ChatGPT, Gemini. You have these two tools that probably use AI based to generate you some names, right? Like you don't have to struggle and do it all by yourself. If you watch my previous video, I talk about that's the one reason why a lot of cleaning businesses are not making a lot of money, because we are trying to do everything ourselves. Where there is software and there is tech that makes things easier for us, right? So once again, if you are struggling with coming up with a name, even with the strategy, even with the location on what you do, or the location adjective on what you do, then use these tools that I've talked about, how to start an LLC.com or www.namesnack.com to generate your business name, and you should be good to go, right? We don't want to take millions of years on getting this, and now we're delaying the process of us starting a remote cleaning business, right? We want to get this going so we can get the LLC, we can get our EIN, and we can kind of get the rest of the process of starting a remote cleaning business going, right? We want to keep this going. So with that being said, once again, if you're new to the channel, now that we're at the end of this video, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you got any type of value, if you felt the effort, the passion I put into trying to give you some value, please give me a thumbs up. Once again, hit that bell notification. We drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. If you look at the details of this video, you will see the free community link that you can use to join our community as well. If you want to do a one-on-one with me, you can definitely check that out as well. You can book a one-on-one with me with the link in the details as well. TikTok, follow me on TikTok as well. We drop so many videos. I have hundreds of videos on TikTok, and you can follow me on Instagram as well. I'll be transitioning over to Instagram with the content as well. I am taking students from my mentorship program as well. I do have 5 open slots. I'm going to be working with 5 students to actually scale them up to help them start and scale to at minimum $10K a month. So I will be taking my 5 students. So if you see this video and you're interested, you can comment, you can contact me as well, and I will be willing to talk to you, see if this is something that'll be right for you. Now, with that being said, I want you guys to have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video.